How would you characterize the trading we're seeing today, especially after the rally of the last two sessions?
Yeah, I think the problem for the bulls is they needed to take full control by blowing away this idea that we might be seeing a kind of rollover top. You know, the market, even as well as it was trading. The problem, Morgan, is that we haven't blown out to brand new highs, and that has caused some hesitation. One of the things traders are going to look at here is what is the follow-up on lift. The selling on the second day was logical. The underwriters unfortunately timed it to start trading on the last day of the month, which meant that if you were a hedge fund and wanted to flip, you flipped it and had to report that in a report that was due out virtually the next couple of days. So you certainly don't want, if you'd like a big allocation in Uber, you certainly don't want to let them know that you flipped it out. So that's why we saw selling on the second day, not on the first day. And now traders are going to watch, can they circle the wagons here and hold on? If it were to develop a full-blown flush down, then it would begin to affect some of the rest of the market.
That's a key point that you make there. I had a number of traders and strategists yesterday say to me the fact that we saw Lyft close yesterday at the lows of the day and the selling increase was very ominous for the stock, at least in the near term. But the fact that hedge funds, the last day of the quarter, and the fact that hedge funds are involved, maybe not so ominous?
Yeah, no, we knew about that. I discussed that with Bob Pisani before the stock ever traded, but I guess it was too much inside Wall Street. I saw a lot of pundits come on, and it means this and it means that, and it really didn't mean anything. It just meant it opened up on the last day of the year and the last day of the quarter, and that moved it. So, yes, can it be an omen? If it were to trade down over the next couple of days in a rather severe manner. In the meantime, the bulls need to make not just nominal but real new highs, and that will give them control back from the bears.
Retail sales, durables, obviously last month's jobs number, no great shakes. I assume you believe it would take a long time to convince the Fed to get restrictive again, right?
Oh, I think so. I mean, I've held that position, as you know, for well over a year, and I think that they're still in a position where they might want to cut as we get closer into the year. It's a small camp we have. Joe Livorno is in the same thing, and he's seeing some disappointing economics. And Sri Kumar has been absolutely phenomenal, and he's looking for the 10-year to go down to 2.25. So it's an uphill fight here. We've been living off data out of China and hopes out of China, and that it's been more that than the American economy so far.